going to train. But for us to train, I'm going to use as well, I'm going to use, yes, I have already done that. Yeah, if you try to replicate my result, you need to install this one. These are visualization tool to visualize graphs from TensorFlow.js. It's from specific from TensorFlow.js. Here, I'm going to finally prepare the model for training and compile the model. Here, I am prepare the surface. I want to have a loss and a mean square in the train tab. That's where you're going to see what that means. And finally, I'm asking the model to be trained. Remember that you are not training the mobile net. You are training the feature that the mobile net gives to us. So the mobile net is a feature extractor. It extracts the feature, then you are going to use it to train our model. So always important to keep that in mind, not to somehow to forget. We have 10% for validation. So 90% is going to use for training. As you see, the input is a feature. The input is not the image. Always keep that in mind. The input is the feature. The input, not the image. The target tensor, what you want to target, but this feature is also a tensor. As you can see, as you come back to see that is a tensor. Let's put just 10 for now. 10 interaction. And here you have what's called callback. After the training or during the training, depending on the callback. In this case here, we are using during the training. So that you are using to plot the graph that you are going to see. Beautiful graph, so on. It's coming here. It's coming from here. And finally, when they finish, they give a console log. But for this one, you can remove. We are not going to do that here, but you can use the. I don't know what happened. Anyway. Can you move this one for now? That's we just want to be updated as the training goes. As you can see, the training is not going very well because that problem. I'm going to leave my preprint. That problem is a little bit tough. But let's do like this. Let's see. Let's see one snake and bunny. I think they are very easy to classify because I don't want to get into problem here, but I'm going to leave you a preprint. If my preprint, you can have an idea that the problem of snake classification is not that straightforward. That's the reason why I have used state machine. That's the reason why I devised it to use state machine. So let's say that the second class here is going to be as I said, it didn't work very well as well. Anyway, that's the point that you need to keep changing that stuff here. As I said before, my goal here is not to keep let's take model 1 bunny because maybe it's not that much. Copy address, let's put model 1 bunny and model 1. The problem that I do not remember anymore which snake is this one. I was like here. I don't remember anymore which snake this one. Yes, I remember. That's the snake. a second. Yes. Sometimes I have tried several images because I'm using a kind of anonymous step here. So not all images are going to work. Maybe you can even use the technique to put the image locally. Sometimes you have to keep trying. See which image allows you to. Anyway, as I said before, my goal here is not to make is to teach you the technique. So you may want to try different images, how it works, but it's on the wrong place. And for the bunny, yes, I did a mistake again. Anyway, you can always put more image and see how the classification work. The idea is that as you put more image, it's supposed to be better. I mean, you may need a couple of images to be able to do anything good. You may always find a guy. I don't know what happened. Let's see if there's any problem here. I think one of the images may be problematic. Yes, I forgot to update. So we have one extra. As I said before, that's not the best way to do that. So I advise you to, if you decide to be the only code, I suppose that you have this ability. I advise you to improve this stuff here, because that's not a very good idea to actually. Let's see another one here. Let's increase now the number of interactions. See how it goes. Yes, as you can see, magic. As you can see, it is precise. It's like 100% is able to classify properly. Here was the same. As you see, the same very low between Bonnie and Bonnie.